Boom, boom, ding, 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 boom. Boom. Psst. Hey, man. Get your weekend. Hey. But first. Yo! Fuck! You wanna give me that 5 penny? You wanna give me that fucking 25 cents, you bitch? Run that onion. Fuck you. Boom, boom, boom. What the fuck is this? Look at the disturbance of my asshole.
What the heck?
Someone's wrong with my dog!
What the fuck, man? Who divided? Get ya!
Okay.
Dog over there?
I don't like this place.
The
I
need the dinosaurs.
Yo, you see the dog? Hey, Matt.
I think that's a fox.
It's not a fox.
I think that's a fox.
It's a robo.
It's an animatronic. It's an animatronic.
It's an animatronic. Yes.
Yes.
You're right.
Oh shoot! I almost lost. Yeah,
Might
because
as well we play a game.
I have immortality on. It won't kill me.
What a waste
Well,
of
that's
money.
lucky. Yeah, heck no. Someone will be going that bend, bro.
Best stuff.
Look, I'm not.
Smash! Smash! If he comes back, I'm gonna.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Mingo's over there, bro. Mingo's over there.
Careful,
I can hear
boy.
her. She's.
Why is everyone's ass in my fucking face? That bitch is retarded more than your uncle. Go on the vent. Yummy on bitch. Go on the vent.
Human. Oh my gosh, bro, that's
You
Oh
know
my god,
that.
you're looking sexy. Yeah, that's right. Who the fuck is easy? Ah! You won't die, but you will!
I died.
You'll die once my ass goes in your face.
She's not here.
Smash.
She's somewhere. She actually is somewhere.
What the fuck was that goofy ass fucking... Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I want to see my new day.
It's a shut up, gun.
We can go kill her. We can kill
straight
Mango
my-
with our fists.
It's a shut up, gun.
Bro,
Look how buff your muscles are. You
gobble
can
up your
definitely
ass
kill
faster than you could touch her.
Follow up. Yeah, but you have muscles, bro. We can defeat her. Oh, I found the last. Yeah, you got muscles, bro.
Yo,
You got abs,
so-
bro. Like,
Hey, I know what she is.
with those abs, bro. I gained immortality.
Fucking motorboat. Here! Come here!
Literally.
Come here, bitch! Come here. You guys have never had a fucking
You
donut.
have no clothes on. You have no clothes.
Exactly!
You got no nose, and then.
I don't need no nose to be Groot, bitch!
Yeah, dance party.
Clothes on right
See this
now.
flashlight?
Yeah.
No clothes.
Run! Run! Run, bitch! I'm naked!
There's no clothes on.
Turn back. Whatever you see on TV.
When she
Mango
do not let her
thinks
get
that's
you.
Foxy.
She will drag you in. Do not do it, Liam.
My name's not Liam.
Question mark? Holy shit! Holy shit! I think I accidentally fucking turned off my controller, right? Yeah, it did.